Okay, I am currently developing my first video game on Godot. So here I have my little game, but I want to add a minimap to it. And I'm going to show you a very simple way to add a minimap to any game you have. First thing you're going to do is add a camera 3D, because a minimap is in a way just another view of your scene. So you're going to put it a little higher and then just rotate it by 90 degrees. And then what you're going to do is using a subviewport node. But before taking the subviewport node, you are going to add a subviewport container. And in your subviewport container, well, sorry, just right there, you're going to add your subviewport, and then in your subviewport you're going to add your camera 3D, and here you have your minimap, but it is not perfect yet because you can see that it's really big. So what you're going to do is in your subviewport changing the size however you want for your game. Wait, yes, and I'm also going to change the anchor in the same viewport container so that it's not overlapping with the other labels. And here you have your little minimap, but it's not perfect yet because I wanted to follow my car. So what I'm going to do is cut this and put it in my car scene, and in my car scene I can just add this, so you are going to see that it still works when I put it in my car scene. There is no problem with that. What I'm going to do is, well, first moving it a little to the right, is going in my script, and in physics process I'm going to change the position of my camera on X and on V, so that it have the position of my car. So what it means is every frame my camera will have the position on X and on Z of my car, and just like that it works. Okay, so if you have any questions you can ask below the video, or if it's too complex, or if you have any other problem, you can join the Discord that I just created. I hope it helps you. Have a nice day.